Water taste testing by Maria Tapia, Mark Bronzik, and Danielle Barnes. We were given school water, Fiji water, well water, and Wawa water. And our problem was, does water really taste different depending on the brand or where it came from? Our hypothesis. We feel that if we tell the people what brand of water it is in the first set of the experiment, they would choose the brand rather than the actual taste. For example, they would think that Fiji water would taste better than well water because of how much it costs. Then in the second set of experiment, they would figure out which one was the favorite without knowing what the brand was. Materials and safety. We use Dixie cups, we use water, room temperature, Fiji, Wawa, well, and school water, and we use the people as the tasters. There wasn't any safety involved because it was water. Our control was the first set of the experiment. We tell the people what brand of water it was. Independent was the second set of the experiment. We didn't tell them what the water brand was. And independent was the people's thought about the water, which one they liked better and which one they liked the least.
It's weird.
Say it, John.
No.
You have to say it.
Yes, say it.
Listen, my dad could...
It's 12. iPad 12. What'd you say?
I ended up calling my dad a booby this morning.
Our procedure. We got a group of people and made them taste the water one by one. In the first set of the experiment, we told them what the water brand was. We asked them to number them from 1 to 4, 1 being the worst and 4 being the best. Then, on the second set of the experiment, we didn't tell them anything. We just told them that we mixed it up and that they had to number them 1 from 4 again. And we took the results. But they didn't know that we actually didn't mix up the water. We left it as it was. This is our results. In set 1, when we told the people what the water was, they chose Fiji more often because they probably thought that it was more expensive, therefore it would taste better. But in set 2, Fiji is all over the place. People liked it, some people didn't. So we think that the brand, when we tell the people what the brand is, they would choose it because of the brand, not the actual taste. Our conclusion. In the end, we came to a conclusion that people did in fact choose the water for the brand and not the actual taste. In the first set of the experiment, tasters thought that well or school water didn't taste the same as Fiji or Wawa because Fiji and Wawa are bottled. Then in the second set, tasters tried to guess what the water brand in each cup was so that they can choose the most known brand. Things that could have went wrong. The temperature of the water could have been different in each cup. One could have been cooler, one could have been warmer. And the amount of water in each cup could affect it too. We could have also mixed up the water, which could affect the whole experiment.
Our group did the graphs a little differently. We did 2 tests of water, so there's 8 graphs. On the left, this graph shows test 1, who liked the different waters first. So, for example, 2 people liked school water first, 4 people liked well water first, 2 people liked Fiji water first, but nobody liked the Wawa water first. On the right, this graph shows who liked the different waters second. 5 people liked school water second, nobody liked well water second, 1 person liked Fiji water second, and 2 people liked Wawa water second. For these graphs, the concept is exactly the same, but on the left, this graph shows who liked the water third, and on the right, this graph shows who liked the water fourth. The way that we ranked it was 1 being the least favorite and 4 being the most favorite. So, moving on. Test 2, we did not tell them which water was which. So, since they did not know which water was which, they can go off their taste buds and not buy the kind of water it actually is. On the left, for test 2, this graph shows which people liked the waters first, and on the right it shows which one liked the waters second. The graph on the left shows which kind of waters were liked third, and on the right it shows which kind of waters were liked fourth being their most favorite. On the right, people like school water and Fiji water the most. On the left side, as you can tell by the graph, a lot of people liked Wawa water third.